During scheduled maintenance, the oil pan drain plug must be removed to drain the engine oil. At installation, the aluminum oil pan plug must be properly tightened to prevent damage to the treads. First, install the drain plug finger tight. Using a torque wrench, tighten the plug to the recommended torque values. Over-tightening the drain plug will eventually cause damage to the oil pan treads and leakage. The new improved design features a steel insert to prevent the aluminum oil pan from this common failure. This innovation will increase the oil pan life while providing durability while maintaining the original drain plug torque specifications. Tested to ensure over 500,000 miles of trouble-free oil changes.